Hello everybody, welcome to a video of White Noise 2. I played it before because it's check it out, and we'll see if you guys want to do it because we should they should screw or not. But that's okay. Is it good to record? It is. Yeah. You're gonna be here playing it for you to look at the video. For you to look at the goal. Welcome to White Noise 2. Okay, I get up to 4 okay, I have to find the place and save it, please. Discover 3 out. Put out. I'm being caught by a mysterious and also the location whose only with Miss Black. These clues will reveal the location of the accident and the next state and who will and the story of the rest of the clues from the primary system. And yeah. That is what we're gonna do. You can use it on the I will pick this. Gosh. What's in the world? I play here a lot. I play here. Do here. And you do that. Don't need to do that. I'll be back to you from that. Goodbye guys. Good guys, popping into White Noise 2. So there's a right now, 6 because I get but I also clean. How can I know you scared? Let me read this book. I saw him talking. Shit. People. Look. No, man, it's only 18. No. I don't tell Okay. Okay. I died. Well guys, I did my video here. You guys like it. This is what happened. That was what that's what we're doing. And I died right there. Because can I get in this over here? Okay, like it, double like, and we want to see more like videos too. Of course, but guys, I will tell you if guys like it. Say in the comments, keep playing and make it a series. Make it a series. And I will do that. And it costs $8 and we bring this in the list for the world, so you can buy it at $8. Love you guys. The next video. Bye.